Welcome everybody, this is Cameron's Corner. Wanted to thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about what is happening. Right now it is summer, it is hot. It is ambient hot, temperatures are hot, everyone's hot. It's either raining, humidity. If you're in Texas, then you know what I'm talking about. So what I'd like to talk about is the effects of natural gas on processing. Now we got an awesome roundtable webinar that I have conducted with my service manager, Eric Gorka, and my director of engineering, Chris Smisson. So please check that out. It's on our YouTube channel if you want to know more about how the summer months and the ambient temperatures affect natural gas processing and the lack of efficiencies. So like a quick tip that we learned from the webinar, for every 20-degree increase in temperature actually doubles the amount of water saturation. So that means your glycol pumps are having to work harder. If you had a PDS, a Croft PDS system, you're having to do double the amount of work into the system. So that was a great tip that we learned in the webinar, and there's more great tips. So go check that out. Now, I want to overdo this message. I want it to be rammed home about the summer months because it does affect efficiency. It does affect what you're doing out there. And we're seeing a lot of our clients losing some efficiency, which always affects the bottom line. Am I right? So what I wanted to do is kind of recap on what we're doing. So if you do not know, Croft has, in our ecosystem, has 3 websites tailored to natural gas processing. Each one is a different scope of work. So Croft Supply is our online supply house. Now with that, it's kind of like the Amazon for natural gas processing. We have a lot of things out there, so if you're doubling the amount of effort for your glycol systems, that means you should be changing out your filters more often. That's where you can go to Croft Supply, buy these in bulk. It's a great price, great lead times, and we have everything in stock. You can get temperature gauges because every time we go out to location, most temperature gauges are broken. So that's so go to Croft Supply if you got any buying parts, consumables, of that nature. Now surplus energy equipment. This is our CarMax of natural gas. So we've bought and sold used equipment over the years, but now we created a website that has better filtering methods for it. So in this case, summer months, you go to it, there's ambient coolers that we have onto it. We've dropped down pricing on a lot of those systems, so you can buy them all day long. We got good pricing on them, where they're priced to move. So go check that out. Again, that's surplus energy equipment. Now, the third one is Croft Production Systems. That's where we sell nationally, internationally, and we rent. We have service guys running in 14 states right now, so if you don't want to deal with it, you just want the cooler and you just wanted it hooked up, just call Croft. We can give you a quick quote. We'll deliver it to location, help hook it up, and then we will actually monitor it from there. Now, these are 3 resources that are great for you, but if you need anything else, I know it is the summer months, you got a lot on your plate, just reach out to us, tell us what we need to do to help you, and then we can get you quotes, we can get you ship you links of what parts our instrumentation engineers recommend for you. But bottom line is, we're here for you, so call us if you need anything. And thank you again for joining Cameron's Corner.